I'm going to follow up with these people until they buy or until they die. Really? Are you sure about that? You know, we've all heard it before. I'm going to stay with these prospects until they buy or die. I get it. It's cute. And it rhymes, so it must be true. I mean, certainly we've heard enough sales experts that have said that it's gotta be valid. But is it actually good advice? Inquiring minds want to know. How much time should you spend when it comes to following up with the prospect? And when is it time just to throw in the towel? Throw the towel! Throw the towel! Haven't we all been there, waiting for a prospect to get back to us and ended up feeling like this? Let me just offer you now 3 assessment points that are going to help you determine just how long you should continue to follow up. Right, number 1, the quality of the opportunity. I mean, this client that you're working with, is it a whale client? Or is it more of a guppy client? Is it a good fit for you, for your company, for your product? Will it lead to referrals? Will it lead to repeat business? Just how good of an opportunity is this? Second assessment point, the amount of effort it's going to take to follow up. Now look, better opportunities should merit stronger efforts. What you don't want is this level of effort for this level of payoff. Third thing to consider, the probability of success. I mean, it might be a high-quality prospect that requires very little effort, but if there's a 0% chance of success, how much are you going to make on this deal? Let's see, my commission is this times 0%. I'm going to carry the 1. Oh, that's not good. Oh yeah, you'll make nothing. You know, when it comes to the quality of the prospect, too many salespeople just aren't being honest. So how do you know how long to follow up? Well, I can answer that question in one word, and the word of the day is serve. That's right. Follow up until you are no longer serving the customer. Follow up until you're no longer able to bring value. That's fine. Put your efforts where they will actually do some good. Hey, thanks for watching today's 5-minute sales training. I've got a lot more to teach you about follow-up in my latest book from McGraw-Hill, Follow Up and Close the Sale. You can get all the information about my new book at jeffshore.com/salesfollowup. The link to that page is in the description below. When you order your copy, I've got all kinds of bonus material that I'll send to you for free so that you can begin applying the book right away to start closing more sales and earning more and bigger commissions. Once again, check out the link in the description below, and until next time, learn more to earn more.